Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Lifelong English Learning Academy. Let's do some listening practice for name spelling. In this video, I will give you 25 names and surnames to help you practice your spelling skills. You will hear each name and surname twice, and I will spell each of them. Grab your pencil and paper and start writing what you hear. Good luck! Number 1. Emily Johnson. Emily Johnson. Emily Johnson. The answer is Emily Johnson. Number 2. Michael Smith. Michael Smith. Michael Smith. The answer is Michael Smith. Number 3. Sarah Williams. Sarah Williams. Sarahwilliams. The answer is Sarah Williams. Number 4. Daniel Brown. Daniel Brown. DanielBrown. The answer is Daniel Brown. Number 5. Olivia Jones. Olivia Jones. OliviaJones. The answer is Olivia Jones. Number 6. William Davis. William Davis. WilliamDavis. The answer is William Davis. Number 7. Emma Wilson. Emma Wilson. EMMAWILSON. The answer is Emma Wilson. Number 8. Christopher Taylor. Christopher Taylor. CHRISTOPHER. The answer is Christopher Taylor. Number 9. Sophia Martinez. Sophia Martinez. SOPHIAMARTINEZ. The answer is Sophia Martinez. Number 10. Matthew Anderson. Matthew Anderson. MATTHEWANDERSON. The answer is Matthew Anderson. Number 11. Ava Garcia. Ava Garcia. AVAGARCIA. The answer is Ava Garcia. Number 12. James Rodriguez. James Rodriguez. JAMESRODRIGUEZ. The answer is James Rodriguez. Number 13. Isabella Thompson. Isabella Thompson. ISABELLA THOMPSON. The answer is Isabella Thompson. Number 14. Ethan Miller. Ethan Miller. ETHANMILLER. The answer is Ethan Miller. Number 15. Mia Hernandez. Mia Hernandez. MIAHERNANDEZ. The answer is Mia Hernandez. Number 16. Alexander White. Alexander White. Alexander. White. The answer is Alexander White. Number 17. Charlotte Clark. Charlotte Clark. Charlotte. The answer is Charlotte Clark. Number 18. Benjamin Moore. Benjamin Moore. Benjamin Moore. The answer is Benjamin Moore. Number 19. Amelia Scott. Amelia Scott. Ameliascott. The answer is Amelia Scott. Number 20. Lucas Evans. Lucas Evans. Lucas. The answer is Lucas Evans. Number 21. Harper Lee. Harper Lee. Watch 0.5 SHARPER. The answer is Harper Lee. Number 22. Jacob Hall. Jacob Hall. JACOBHALL. The answer is Jacob Hall. Number 23. Abigail Young. Abigail Young. ABIGAILYOUNG. The answer is Abigail Young. Number 24. Samuel Turner. Samuel Turner. SAMUELTURNER. The answer is Samuel Turner. And the last one, number 25. Lily Harris. Lily Harris. LILYHARRIS. The answer is Lily Harris. This is the end of our video. I hope this video helped you practice your spelling skills. See you in another video. Thanks and please subscribe.